A chef made a vegetable dish. She uses 83 ounces of lima beans and 18 ounces of corn in the dish. What is the ratio of lima beans to corn in the vegetable dish? Well, right now, lima beans is 63, so 63 to corn, which is 18. Now, ratios are very much the same as fractions, so I could view this in a different way if I want to, and make believe that this is 63 over 18. Now, if you look at 63 and 18, you should recognize, well, wait a minute. Both of these numbers are divisible by 9. And if I were forced to simplify this fraction, I would divide the numerator and the denominator by 9, like so. 63 divided by 9 becomes 7. 18 divided by 9 becomes 2. So if 63 over 18 becomes 7 over 2, then 63 to 18 is the same as 7 to 2. So that's going to give us C.